How's it going, everyone? The other day I drove over to nearby Pisgah National Forest from where I live in Asheville, North Carolina, and I actually was going to hike up to the summit of John Rock, but that trail was closed, so I ended up going to some nearby waterfalls instead. This footage here is from the drive in Pisgah National Forest. I was actually here in late October, so as you can see, the leaves are just about at peak fall colors. Definitely an absolutely gorgeous day for a hike. Both of these waterfalls are really popular places to visit, so if you're visiting on a weekend like I did, expect there to be a horde of people there too. This first waterfall is Cove Falls, and it was an easy 20-minute walk to get there. Didn't really know what to expect when I got there. I didn't have a map or anything, but I thought it was pretty cool. I'm gonna tell you why dog people on trails piss me off. Let me show you. Somebody took their shit bag from their dog and just launched it into the woods, and it got hung on this tree. Yep. This one here is a really popular waterfall in Pisgah National Forest. It's called Looking Glass Falls. This waterfall is just right off the side of the road. It's definitely a great place for people of all ages to visit. So that's going to be it for this one. Kind of a shorter video this week. I'm going to play this one out with some time-lapse driving footage I recorded earlier on this day, so enjoy the fall colors. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.